Alright guys, are you ever just riding around on your Grom Clone and then it does one of these? Oh, you're riding, you're going whatever, 50 miles an hour, then bam, it just shuts off on you and you have no idea why, and it keeps doing it, and then maybe you've gotten as far to the point where you learn that, hey, you know, if I pop my gas cap off and start it up, it runs. And then it does the same thing again, you know, you pull over, pop the gas cap off, ride for a couple minutes, and it shuts off. If you're having that issue and your Grom Clone just keeps shutting off on you while you're riding, more than likely you have what's called vapor lock.
Yeah, start it off right, boys. Oh yeah, Bob. Send it.
Yeah. So all you have to do to fix this, guys, well, basically the way to diagnose it is like I just said, pop off your gas cap and then try starting the bike. If the bike starts up with your gas cap off, you have vapor lock. And the way to fix that is under this seat. So what you have to do is you could take off the seat, take off the side fairing here. Right about here, you're going to see a black cylinder about this big. It's going to be zip tied to a couple other things. Unclip the zip ties and then literally just yank that thing out. There's going to be a couple tubes that it's attached to. Those can come off as well. You don't need them. If there's any extra breathers or anything, you can just leave them off to the side, zip tie them or whatever. But you basically have vapor lock, and the reason your bike is doing that is because of that little container. It's supposed to be an emissions thing, but what it really does is it chokes the engine from getting enough air that it needs. So once you pull that off, the bike can breathe a lot better, and then you're good to go. So like I said, that's right under here. You got to pull off this side fairing. It's not that hard to do. There's some bolts in here. There's a bolt on the back here you got to take off after you take the seat off. You can see there's one right there. A couple little things. Takes maybe 15 minutes to get everything off and then rip the thing out itself. So if you're doing any other modifications like the battery or anything like that, just do it all at the same time. Get it out of the way. But if your bike's shutting off on you, that is most likely what your problem is vapor lock. So that's all you got to do, guys. Just go in there, pull that cylinder out. It's called an emissions delete, and then you'll be good to go. So hopefully this video helps you guys. If it does, let me know by hitting the like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.